Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you this awesome new game called Bratz Action Heroes. It lets you play in the virtual world with your favorite character. Today I'm picking Yasmin. First, download the Action Heroes app from the App Store. Then, place your figurine on her mat and scan her with your iPad or iPhone. And whoosh! She comes to life in augmented reality. Too cool! In AR mode, you can train your character and strengthen her superpower. The more you train, the stronger she becomes. My Bratz will be the most epic action hero ever. In each fab world, your character will use her superpower to defeat the wicked Avila Vanderbilt and her henchmen from stealing all the color in the land. A world without color? Now that's evil. You can also change your action hero's outfit to give her a fashion makeover. So rad. And if you collect more than one Bratz figurine, you can even make them interact with each other. Friends are everything, right? In gameplay mode, you explore each character's unique world. Whoa! And each time you get another Bratz action hero, you can unlock another amazing virtual world, like this one. Rock on, Yasmin! And that's it! Now you can play with action heroes too. Just try the free demo at the App Store now. I was able to beat the first 3 missions. How far will you go?